Welcome, the Iron Man of India, founding father of modern India, Bismarck of India, unifier of India. These are some titles honoring one of the greatest freedom fighters of India, Sardar Vallabh Patel. He was born on October 31, 1875 at Nadiad in Gujarat, and today is his 144th birth anniversary. We are observing this day as Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day since 2014. Sardar Patel was India's first Home Minister who is credited for the merger of over 560 states into the Union of India. Starting his career as a barrister, lawyer, Sardar Patel set out to be an Indian independence freedom fighter, staging numerous protests against the British rule. Sardar Patel uprooted the tentacles of British administration. Despite facing several imprisonment, Sardar Patel remained resolute until the independence of the nation. Even after independence, Sardar Patel played a key role to unity of India. Let us know some more interesting facts about the Iron Man of India. Let's discuss his work in two phases, pre-independence and post-independence. Role in the Indian national movement. Let us talk about it first. In 1917, Sardar Vallabh Patel was elected as the Secretary of the Gujarat Sabha, the Gujarat wing of the Indian National Congress. See, in 1918, he led a massive no-tax campaign that urged the farmers not to pay taxes after the British insisted on tax even when floods had destroyed the crops. In the 1920s, he actively supported the non-cooperation movement launched by Gandhiji. In 1928, the farmers of Bardoli again faced the problem of tax hike when the farmers refused to pay the extra tax. The government seized their lands in retaliation. During this Bardoli Satyagraha, he showed exemplary leadership skills. He united people together. He brought justice to the people and thus earned the title of Sardar. In 1930, Sardar Vallabh Patel was among the leaders imprisoned for participating in the famous Salt Satyagraha movement initiated again by Mahatma Gandhi. His inspiring speeches during the Salt movement transformed the outlook of numerous people who later played a major role in the making of this movement successful. He led the Satyagraha movement across Gujarat when Gandhiji was under imprisonment. Then came 1940s, Quit India movement. He continued traveling throughout the country propagating the agenda of the movement in a series of heartfelt speeches. He was an excellent orator. Let's see his contribution to post-independence India now. One more thing. Do you know Patel was a leading member of the Constituent Assembly of India? And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was appointed on his recommendations only. He was the key force in establishing the Indian Administrative Services and the Indian Police Services. See, he is considered as the founding father of All India Services. He was an administrator par excellence. Look, a good administrator is one who is good with solving problems. But an even better administrator is one who doesn't let the problem to happen in the first place. See, after India achieved independence, Patel became the first Home Minister and also the Deputy Prime Minister. Patel played a very crucial role in post-independence India by successfully integrating around 560 plus princely states under the Indian Dominion. You know, the British government had presented these rulers, these small rulers with two alternatives. They could join India or Pakistan or they could stay independent. This clause magnified the difficulty of the process of mammoth proportions. Congress entrusted this intimidating task to Sardar Patel, who started lobbying for integration. He was successful in integration of all of them, barring Jammu and Kashmir, Junagadh and Hyderabad. He eventually dealt with the situation with his sharp political acumen and secured their accession. The India that we see today as a result of the effort put in by Sardar Vallabh Patel. See, Sardar Vallabh Patel's health started declining in 1950s, just after attaining independence. He realized that he was not going to live much longer. After suffering a massive heart attack on 15th of December 1950, the great soul left the world. He was posthumously conferred the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, when in 1991. His birthday, October 31, was declared Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day in 2014. In 2018, the Government of India unveiled the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, in Patel's honor. The statue is made up of mostly bronze and designed by famous sculptor Ram V. Sutar. This place has become a famous tourist destination. Run for Unity is the name of the marathon. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.